In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions or subtitles to your video on Vimeo. Adding captions is a fantastic way to make your content more accessible to broader audiences, ensuring that people who are hearing impaired or those who might be watching in a noisy environment can still engage with your content effectively. Plus, having captions can also increase viewer engagement and improve searchability on the platform. First things first, head over to vimeo.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts on the site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the library tab where all of your uploaded videos are stored. If you're planning to add captions to a new video that hasn't been uploaded yet, this is also the place where you'll manage those uploads. Just click on the upload button, follow the steps, and your video will soon appear in your library. Now click on the video you want to add captions to. This will bring you to the video's management page. On the left hand menu of this page, you'll notice an option labeled languages. Click on this to expand the section. Here you'll see the option to upload. This is where you will upload the caption file. If you haven't created a caption file yet, you might want to use software like Amara or another captioning tool to generate an SRT or VTT file. These formats are essential because Vimeo accepts them for caption uploads. Next, click on Select a File. This will bring up a dialog box prompting you to choose the appropriate caption file from your computer. Go ahead and select the file you've prepared. You'll also need to specify the language of the captions within this dialog box. This helps Vimeo categorize and display your captions correctly during playback. Ensure you've chosen the correct language to avoid confusion for your viewers. After selecting your file and language, you'll see an option to finalize and save your changes. Be sure to save these changes, otherwise the captions won't appear on your video. Saving your work is crucial as it ensures all the adjustments are retained. And just like that, you've successfully added captions to your Vimeo video. Now anyone watching your video can turn on the captions to better understand and enjoy your content. Remember, regularly checking and updating your captions is a good practice, especially if changes are made to the video. Thank you for joining me today, and if this guide was helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand with their Vimeo videos. See you in the next tutorial.